Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and today I'm share my practice technique. How can I practice English? Because I'm use the ChatGPT app. This is the best practicing app. Now I will show you how can I use this app. Now I'm started this app. You can show. Just wait a minute. You can see this is a ChatGPT. Hi there.
Hey there, how's it going? Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to chat about, or if you need help with something.
I want to talk to you for any topic.
That sounds great. I'm all ears. We can chat about anything you like, whether it's something light and fun or something more serious. Just let me know what you're in the mood for.
But I don't have any specific topic I'm discussing about you. Can you ask me a simple question? I will try to answer it easily.
That sounds fun. Alright, let me think of something simple. How about this? What's one of your favorite hobbies or activities that you enjoy doing in your free time?
My hobbies are two hobbies. Like first is reading books and second is creating videos like educational videos, learning English. That is my hobby. You can see how can I practice this ChatGPT app.
That's awesome. Those are really enriching hobbies. And if you're looking to practice with the ChatGPT app, you can basically use it as a conversational partner, ask questions, get feedback, or even brainstorm ideas for your videos. I'm here to help however you need.
No, you can ask me only questions because you are my practice partner.
I'll keep the questions coming. Let me try another one. What kind of books do you enjoy reading the most? And do you have a favorite genre or author?
Recently, I read the book name the Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This is my favorite book because this book is changed my life, changed my thinking power. Everything is changed about after reading this book. That's it.
Fantastic to hear. It's amazing how a book can have such a big influence. So, out of curiosity, do you have any favorite techniques or lessons from that book that you apply in your daily life?
Yes, I apply like overthinking and I can focus easily on my studies and I can easily understand everything. That's it I learned from this book. Thank you guys. You can see the how can I practice this chat GPT app. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.